Hello, my name is Daniel and welcome to another car project on this channel. Before we start, subscribe and like this video. In this way I will know you want to see more videos like this. This video is about a Volkswagen Golf MK1 1.9 TDI 110 horsepower tuning project. You will see an example of pure passion for this car. Owner restore entire car, change original parts, change engine, change a lot of interior parts, put another suspension, change color, change everything on this car, and now it's other Golf far from beginning. I like this kind of people who cares about cars.
You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Owner of the car want to show his project to inspire you and for new ideas in your project. If you have any question about this car, you will find in the description a link to the owner of the car. In this way you will make new friends and you can change opinion and ideas. Next I will let you to see the video and I hope you will enjoy.
Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating want. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered in the dark set my heart on fire.
Leave in comment section below what car do you want to see next video. I will try to make that video. After you done that, make sure subscribe and turn notification on. In this way you don't miss when I upload your requested car.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide. Because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on to see more videos like this. I'll be happy to know if these videos inspire you for your car project. Bye bye and see you next time.